Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Rachel Colton and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute, simple pen drawn stickers using your Cricut and the new offset feature. What you'll need to create this project is Cricut's printable sticker paper in white. You're going to need your pen. I'm going to be using the glitter pen today for this. You're going to need your Cricut machine. I'm going to be using the Maker, but you could also use the Explorer. You'll need the fine point blade to cut around your stickers, and you'll need a sticky mat. I'm going to be using purple just because my mats are pretty worn out, but you could also use the green standard grip mat. All right, let's get started. Once you have Cricut Design Space open, you want to come over here and select New Project. And then you want to go over to the left and click on the images icon. And then up at the top left where it says category, I'm going to click on all images and then come down here and choose free this week. And I've actually already looked through all of these images and I know that there is a rainbow I want. So I'm going to go to the search bar and type in rainbow. And it comes up with these two images. I'm going to choose this one with the heart in the center. So just click to select and then go down to insert images. Now I'm just going to make these a basic pen outline. Right now it's a cut file, so I want to go up here to operation and change that to pen. Now I'm going to add an outline with the offset feature. So I'm just going to go up here to offset. And you can change the size or the style, but I like it the way it is, so I'm just going to click apply. And then I want to select just the offset, which is right now a writing operation, and I want to change that to cut. So I'm just going to go to basic cut. And it turns this pink, which doesn't really matter, but if you want to change the color, you can do that as well. And now right now the offset and the image are disconnected from each other. So I'm going to select both of them and then go down to the attach feature. And then I want to resize this. I want the height to be about 2 inches. So I'm going to come up here to the size and enter 2. And if you want to, you can change the colors of each layer. So if you want them all to be the same color, you can leave them as they are. But if you want to do different colors, you can come over here and change the heart to a separate color. You could change some of the arches to a different color if you'd like, but I'm going to keep them all the same for now. So then I'm going to go up to make it. And I'm using sticker paper, which is 8.5 by 11. It's standard letter size paper. So I'm going to resize my material and I want to make a full sheet of these. So I'm going to go up here and change the number of copies. And it looks like maybe I can fit 3 across each row and maybe 4 down. So I'm going to try 12 and see if those fill up a sheet. And when you change the project copies, it sets it back to the 12 by 12. So you have to come back down here and change it back to letter size. And it actually looks like I might be able to fit 1 more row with 3 rainbows. So I'm going to try 15. And again, it resets the material size, so you have to go back and change that again. So now it's going to fill up my whole sheet. So I'm going to go with 15 stickers. And then you just click continue. So once you're ready, choose your machine. Then you need to set your base material. And I don't have sticker paper as one of my favorites. So I'm going to go to Browse Materials. I'm just going to type in sticker. And I'm using white printable sticker paper. So I'm going to choose that, click done. Once you have your base material set to sticker paper on your computer, you need to load your tools. So whichever pen you're going to use for your sticker, I'm going to use the purple glitter pen. So I'm just going to uncap that and insert it into clamp A. And I already have my fine point blade loaded in clamp B. And I have my sticker paper on my purple mat. I'm using purple because my mats are in need of a cleaning or replacement. You can use the regular green mat if you would prefer. And then you just click the blinking arrow to load your paper. And then the blinking C to get started. Once your machine is done drawing and cutting, you just want to press the blinking arrow again to unload your materials. And now you have a sheet of these fun purple sparkly rainbow stickers. If you have a small business, these are fun to use in your packaging if you wrap products in tissue paper to hold it closed or on the outside of bags or boxes or packages. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you'll give this a try and make some stickers with your Cricut and the new offset feature. Thank you, and please like and subscribe to my channel.